7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Inhale. Exhale left palm right side. Look left hand. Breathe normally in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Hasta Parshva Chalana. Join your feet. Breathe in, breathe out, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Palm opposite, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Palm up, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Palm down, right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Now right side asana, stay in asana, breathe normally in position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Inhale. Exhale left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Center. Now Mukha Dhauti. Breathe in nose. Breathe out mouth. Breathe in nose. Breathe out mouth. Breathe in nose. Breathe out mouth. Relax. Now observe your body. Now your body ready to do asanas. Observe. Breathe. Observe. Concentrate your breath. Observe your breath. Relax. 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 Samasthiti. Now today we will practice to Ashtanga Vinyasa set 1. That is also called Shiva Namaskara. Now join your feet. Both hands Namaskar position. Urdhvasana. Padahastasana. Halfway Namaskara. Aghori Namaskara. Press your palm, jump, Parvathasana, Ashtanga, Dhanurasana, Ashtanga, Adho Mukha Vajrasana. This is also called Shashankasana. Now Chitha Namaskara. Lock your heel or buttocks, head, front and back. This is very good for reducing headache. Adho Mukha Vajrasana, Ashtanga, Bhujangasana, Parvathasana, jump Aghori Namaskara. This is Aghori Namaskara, very good for increase the digestion problem, reduce the constipation. Padahastasana, half bend Namaskara, Urdhvasana, Pranamasana. These set repeat 3 times. Now relax. Open your eyes. Prasarita Padottanasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Try to touch head down. Breathe normally in position. Lift your head. Parvathasana. Balance your toes. Lift your right leg up. Right leg front pigeon pose. Parvatasana. Left leg up. Left leg pigeon pose. Parvatasana. Adhomukha Vajrasana. Vajrasana. Sit in your comfortable posture. Relax. Now we finished asana. We will go to now pranayama. Back neck should be straight. Close your eyes. Relax. Now back neck should be straight. Close your eyes. Now our body and mind take and go to pranayama. Take deep breath. Breathe out slowly. Do like that only 5 times. Inhale. Exhale slowly. Like that only 2. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out. Observe your now tip of nose, breathe normally. Don't do forcefully, breathe in, breathe out. Observe. Observe your breath. Now first pranayama, Bhastrika pranayama. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out fast. 2.5 seconds breathe in, 2.5 seconds breathe out. Continue to Bhastrika. This is the powerful pranayama. Increase lungs capacity, increase immunity power. Blood purification, good for respiratory system, good for nervous system. Increase lungs capacity, reduce repeated cold, cough, fever. Breathe in, breathe out fast. Inhale, exhale, fast, same time. Inhale, exhale, exhale. When you are inhaling your chest, stomach front, exhaling back. Stop. Stop. Observe your breath. Observe your head. These Bhastrika also very, very good for refreshment. Now second pranayama, only 50 counts. Kapala Bhati, only exhalation. Count yourself and do 50. Afterwards you can relax. Kapala means skull. Bhati means shine. Skull shine. It increases lungs capacity. Increase immunity power. Blood purification. Good for all system. Very, very good for 5 system. Reproduction system, respiratory system, circulatory, skeleton and digestion system. Main active the hypo and hyperthyroid gland active in this pranayama. Stop. 50 finished. Stop. Once that Kapalabhati is 1 stroke, 1 second. So we will finish in half minutes 50. 1 minute 50. 50 to 60. Back neck should be straight. Now Shikli pranayama. Fold your tongue. Breathe in through mouth. Close your mouth. Breathe out through nose. Once again, breathe in through mouth. Close your mouth. Breathe out through nose. Once again, last. Breathe in through mouth. Close your mouth. Breathe out through nose. Relax. Sheetli, this is the hormone pranayama, cooling pranayama. This is the part of the pranayamas. Vibha, this is called upa pranayamas. Sheetli, Sheetkari, Sadanta. These three pranayamas is upa pranayamas. This is the very good for reducing throat infections. And we can avoid the nature call also. Sheetli, Sheetkari. Observe your neck, throat is cooling effect is there. Observe, relax. Now Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Left hand chin mudra. Back neck should be straight. Breathe in left. Breathe out right. How much slowly you are doing Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, that much benefit you are getting. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. In English, this is called alternative nostril breath. Increase the lungs capacity, increase memory power, increase concentration, good for respiratory system, good for nervous system. Totally, this is mindfulness pranayama. Observe, when we are finishing our food, anytime, lunch, breakfast, dinner, anytime you can do this pranayama. This is not restrictions, anything. This pranayama is the totally mindfulness pranayama. Relax. Relax. Now, last pranayama, Brahmari pranayama. Brahmari, breathe in, bumblebee. Inhale. Inhale. Meditation, palm facing up. Brahmari is the very powerful pranayama. Increase concentration, increase memory power, good for blood circulation of head. So this is the very good for preparation of the meditation. When we are meditation, after finishing the Brahmari, you can do meditation. So many benefits you are getting. Observe your breath, throat, smiley face. Don't tight your eyebrows. Don't tighten your any part of your body. Don't tighten your shoulder. Don't tighten your legs. You can sit freely. Only concentrate your breath. Now both hands, Namaskar position, Shanti mantra. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Bhunamana. Slowly come up, rub your palm. Slowly touch your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Now last Simhasana and clapping side. Simhasana, palm reverse. Breathe in. Make the sound. Once again. Once again. Massage your throat downwards. Simhasana, lion pose, very good for reducing throat infections and active the Manipura chakra. Now clap, fast clap, clap. Thank you so much, students. Thank you.
ಅದು ಸೇರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಎದ್ದು ಬಂದು ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಅದು
ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋದೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸೌಂಡ್ಗೆ
ಅದು ಇದೆ.
ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವೇ ಕೂತಿದೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಟಿ ವಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ
ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೊಸ ಮೂವಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡು ಅಪ್ಪಟ್ಟು ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಸನ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ 10 ಆಸನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಆಗಲೇ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾಫಿ ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಅದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು
ಆಫೇ ಮಾಡಿ